When we are looking to make healthy lifestyle changes, there are three critical steps that we go through, but it's actually not until we can get to the third step that real big lifestyle shifts start to happen. So, what are the three steps? The three steps include number one, creating healthy habits. And healthy habits are generally goals, healthy goals that you know you need to implement in your life based on all of the research that's done around healthy lifestyles. So that could be increasing your water intake or getting to bed earlier or practicing self-care. These are all types of healthy habits that we can start implementing into our life. Then the second step is when we take those healthy habits and we create a healthy routine out of them based on our general lifestyle and what we do throughout the day, the parameters of our life. So a healthy routine could include, going to bed early so that you can wake up for your workout in the morning before work. Or perhaps you find a gym that is close to where you work so that you can get there easily. These are ways to implement the healthy habits and fit them into your lifestyle parameters. The third step, though, is where the real magic happens. And this is when we transform our healthy habits into healthy, holistic rituals. And rituals are healthy habits that are revered and that are sacred to us and that we place value upon because we understand now the real reason why we are doing it, and now we have a respect and mindfulness for them. Healthy habits and routines are essential for building a healthy lifestyle, but the problem with habits and routines is that they tend to change and they tend to exist for finite periods of time. So for instance, maybe you were trying to lose 10 pounds or you were changing your lifestyle to prepare for a half marathon or something like that. And then those things are done and now they're over. And do those habits continue with you or do they not? Or perhaps the parameters of your life have changed, like, you moved across town and now things are different, or maybe you had a baby and now you have less energy and you're tired more often, so you have to work around that. These things tend to change, and that's okay. It's okay that things are changing, but we have to stay flexible to that change. And it's important for us to start to think about creating these rituals in order to really find this sacred space of healthy lifestyle. So how can you reframe your healthy habits into healthy rituals? Number one, try to reformulate your thought process about the healthy habit. So why are you doing it? Why are you doing the healthy habit? Are you doing it because you know you're supposed to? Or are you doing it because you think it's going to make you skinny? Because if you answered yes to either of those things, they're likely not rituals. These are chores that you're supposed to be doing that don't feel reverent to you yet. So healthy rituals are things that mean something to you. You have reached past the simple chore of it and have gotten to the point of this is making me a better person. So try to reformulate, what is it that your healthy habit is adding to your life? How is it making you better? Number two, does it bring you joy? Rituals will inevitably bring you joy in some form or another. And if it's not bringing you joy, it's likely not going to be a ritual or become a ritual. So it's really important when you are embarking on health changes and changing habits to be healthier ones in your life to find the joy in it, because it's going to be really challenging to keep it as a lasting habit if it doesn't bring you joy. And it's certainly not going to become a ritual if it doesn't bring you joy. And lastly, consider how you feel when you're done. Healthy rituals will make you feel light and happy and well and healthy and full of love. That's the goal of a ritual. And when these are practiced over time, this is where real, lasting, powerful change happens. Helping my patients to turn healthy habits and healthy routines into holistic rituals is an incredibly meaningful topic to me. In fact, I have quite literally named my practice Holistic Ritual for that very reason. It's one thing to have a healthy habit and to create the support around it through a healthy routine. It's an entirely different enlightenment and mindfulness to take those healthy habits and routines and create them into sacred rituals that are unending throughout your life. So this is what I work on with my patients, and I want to tell you that you are worth it. You are worthy, and your health is a sacred thing. And the second that you realize that and you create these rituals around the support of your own health, the magic happens. And I would love to help you work on this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, comment below. I want to hear what your holistic rituals are and what keeps you healthy and happy.